Hey guys, welcome to another video from Skinny Mate. So, confession time. I don't know my blood type.
Nope.
I know it's really crappy, but I don't know my blood type. I've given blood before, and I guess I just completely forgot what my blood type is.
Yeah.
So I showed up at Shawn's office, and he was doing it, and I was like, hey, I want to do it. Thanks to Amazon Prime,
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
We got him. And I didn't know mine either, and the only reason I really want to know my blood type is for my plate carrier and my night vision helmet. I want to put my blood type on there because those cool guys all have patches with their blood type.
Yeah.
And I'm probably not a Z blood type, so I probably need to figure out which one.
Just put I don't know.
Exactly, IDK.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to be perfectly honest. I tried one of these and messed it way up.
Yep.
That's why I had to order another one and why I added you one. So, yeah, let's get started. Pretend to open mine
So,
up.
this is how it comes in your package.
Yep.
Shawn's opened his up so we can reread the package.
Before we did this.
Yes.
All right, so yeah, open it up. I don't know what that is. Probably not important. And, all right. So the first thing it says is, these are called Eldon sticks, I guess, is we just break them apart and set them aside. We should probably wash our hands. Maybe. This is how I wash my hands. In my religion, I don't let water touch my hands.
Like Charlie's Angels.
Ooh, it smells like vodka.
I think it is vodka.
Oh man, wrong bottle. Okay, that's out of the way. All right, so you broke up your Eldon sticks. That's good.
Okay.
Now we need a water. Nope, that's beer. Okay, this is water. All right, so you take your pipette. Actually, before you do that, open up your card. Don't get your filth on it. All right, there's that.
Okay.
And then it says, don't touch the circles at all, but apply 1 drop of water directly with your pipette. So don't touch, apply 1 drop of water directly on the circle, the colored circle. All right. Take care to avoid mixing between circles. Oh boy.
Okay.
All right. Then you take the pipette and you twist and pull it off. Or I'm not the pipette, the lancet.
Okay.
That was my phone. Forgot to mute. Super pro. Okay, now we clean off with the alcohol swab. I guess I'm going to do a different finger this time.
All right.
Do one that I can face up, I guess.
Don't do your trigger finger.
Oh yeah. No, we already went shooting, so we're fine. That a lot of dirt came off that. And then stretch and puncture the soft skin at the side of your fingertip by pushing the lancet firmly against the skin.
Dang it, that hurt. Not really.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, we're bleeding.
It's not real. Okay, yeah, now it's bleeding.
Okay.
Okay, massage the finger.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of blood.
Are we okay? Let's see. Massage your finger towards the fingertip to increase the blood flow.
Got it.
All right. All right. Now repeat pressing until a drop 3 to 4 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch is seen, and let the large drop fall on the bottom of the Eldon stick. All right.
Wow. Is that?
Like this? Yeah, like that.
Okay. Okay.
And then place the stick in the center of the first circle and leave it laying there. Blood will touch the water. And like facing down so that it's touching the water. Okay, there we go. And then repeat.
We're gonna have blood everywhere.
Is this safe? Is this a bad time to ask for a high five? I'm just not getting enough blood. Apparently nobody makes me bleed my own blood.
It's bleeding everywhere. I have like a bloody mess going on right here.
Yeah. Now I'm bleeding.
Woo!
All right. Oh, geez. Yeah, it's bleeding a lot now. Okay.
Built that thing.
Yeah, blood everywhere.
I know. I'm like, oh my gosh. Mine's not going to turn out well.
I don't think mine is either. Okay.
I'm like drying up over here.
You're going to have to lance it again.
Yeah. Lance it again. Oh yeah, that's a good
Oh,
one.
yeah. That like cut you or something.
Yeah. Oh, now I'm bleeding good.
Yeah. Oh, gee. Wow. Okay. Wow. Are you a hemophiliac?
Oh yeah.
Nice. All right.
All right.
All right. Clean up the blood. Like, it's all over all your fingers.
Yeah. Jeez. No big
I don't know
deal.
what happened.
I'm still bleeding over here now.
That was a lot of blood. All right, stir each circle with its proper stick for 10 seconds. Spread the mixture of blood, water, and reagent carefully within the entire reagent circle. All right, and then I guess I'm just going to leave mine there for the time being just because I've already messed this up once. Riveting video.
We'll fast forward.
All right. So I guess, yeah, I'm just going to set these aside in their order and not let them touch each other, just in case I need them. I'm definitely seeing a result already. Let's see, tilt the card to an almost upright position, approximately 45-degree angle. Hold it for 10 seconds at each angle. Don't stop when you see the first reactions. All right, yeah. I feel like that's going to run everywhere, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Read the result, being careful not to touch the wet test circles until allowed to air dry. Note your blood type on the card before drying the card. Okay. After the card is dried completely, peel and apply the protective sheet, which is stuck to my hand right now. Cover or mount the card. All right. So I think we're done. And now we read the results.
Dun dun dun.
So yes, I would say that our anti-D is the one that has agglutinates.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be O positive for both of us.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because see, there's nothing there really.
Yeah. Nothing.
Anti-D, and then nothing.
Yeah.
So yep, that is a O positive result for both of us. That's common, right?
So Skinny Medic's O positive.
I'm O positive as well, so
We can share blood.
we can. We should go do that. No,
No, that's
terrible.
weird.
Yeah, my liver. I don't know. It's probably not good for you. All right, well that's pretty cool. And these were like $12.99 for the kit on Amazon, and we got it in 2 days.
Awesome. I'll put a link down below to the Amazon link where we got it from. So pretty cool. Something fun to do.
Yeah, absolutely. And now we need to go wash all the blood.
Go bleed to death with our friends. So
Yeah, we should have worn gloves or something. I don't know.
that was probably a good idea.
Yeah, I just thought of it.
So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.
O positive.
That's pretty cool.
That is really cool. It actually worked.